Okay guys, we got the package from Implora official store. The circles and the connector is good. Let's see inside. First we must find the weak point of these packages. I think in here we got the seal from Implora. Open here the seal. Oh wait, it has been connected. So once we open it slowly and good. Okay, this is it. It's a perfect packaging like this. This is anti-shock resistance, and this is it what we buy. This is Implora Hair Color Shampoo. Only a minute, safe and easy to use, protecting the color, smooth and shiny, represent nourish hair, and 100 coverage. This color is black. Coloran is 15 milli. Developer is 15 milli. What is that? This is has separated in two parts, and this is for your hand when you wash your hair. This is for coloring your hair with the best formula from the images, easy to applicant and long last. And this is it. Should be test 48 hours or 2 days. This is expired date. And here, production of Guangzhou, China, imported by Sevi Putamandiri. This is how to use. Wait, let's see the another one who you can read correctly. You buy 4. This is how to use. Use the plastic. And then open the sachet and combine the two liquid. Stay for 10 or 15 minutes. After that you can wash, rinse your hair. Okay, this is it, Implora Hair Color Shampoo.